welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, I am Jo and I make videos like whenever I feel like it. So anyways, yeah, I'm gonna make a video today about partying in Jamaica. I'm American, I live in Jamaica, and I have my mom's friend has a son who's going to a party, and we were driving around with them and they were like, oh, you should totally come. So me and my brother and my sister are going to go, and I've never been to a party here in Jamaica. So I just did my hair. You guys can see I just did it. And now I'm gonna get dressed and do my makeup, and I just wanted to film the process. So I hope you guys enjoy. Looking at myself in the camera to see like if I look bad. I mean, I think I look okay. Winged eyeliner is really hard to do, guys, so please don't come for my neck or my brand on that. But I think everything else looks okay. You know, if I look a little rough, I don't do makeup often, and when I do makeup, it's for when I'm going out. So if you don't like it, then
didn't ask.
If you do like it, thanks guys, because I appreciate that, and I just need a lot of, you know, encouragement with this makeup stuff, because a girl who watches Jackie Aina and only hopes to be as good as like her one day. So anyways, we're gonna move on to getting ready. Hopefully you guys can see me. Don't mind extra stuff in this area. Anyways, we're gonna go from this shirt and these pants to this shirt and these shorts, because the girl doesn't have really like dressy clothes and I don't really know what to wear to a party, so we're just gonna wing it. So first we're gonna change from this shirt to the other one. So okay, and we're gonna change these sweats to shorts. So okay, so I changed my mind. Instead of wearing the shorts, I changed it to these black pants. Hopefully you guys can see them pretty well. Not sure. Can't see the camera from here, and hopefully it's not blurry either, because that would really suck. But yeah, so this is my OOTD or OOTN outfit of the night, not day anymore. And now I'm gonna change into some shoes, so let me guys show you that. Okay guys, so my mom's friend is coming up to my house, so I'm gonna leave it a little bit, but I wanted to show you guys my shoes, which look like this. They're just sandals. They're very like regular sandals. So anyways, I will film when I'm in the car.
Everybody know. I don't bluff, bro. Everybody know. I can go flow. You a rough. Banana follow you. Brother follow you. Cause I'm in love with you. Money follow you. Banana follow you. Paparazzi follow you. Cause I'm in love with you. Are you done talking? Tell me, baby. Are you done talking? All of the girls that are in love right now, scream at me here. All of the girls that... You sleep over, me no want to me better. Kivu. Hold on. I just want to tell you, say, thanks to people who are bigger support me, as you supporters, everybody. I don't know, me and the Rubas tune, it just reached 1 million views, so you don't know. We're a big artist now.
I want to go home.
But right now, we kind of have a new tune.
My hair is wet.
Someone might not know it.
Aaron wants to go home.
So they just go and listen, you see. No, wait today.
Seriously.
Yeah, man, wait it. Ain't that with me? This time, remember, you never ate that. No,
Thanks for listening.
Oh, go on.
Party's over, guys. Oh my god. We're going home in like, I don't know what. Hey guys, not just got home, but I got home a little while ago, maybe like 5 minutes ago, and I was soaking wet because I was spraying water everywhere, which was really fun, but it was also really crazy. So I had a really good time, and I'm freaking out. Don't pay attention to that. Anyways, right now it's 1:48 and 1:49, almost 2 a.m. and I'm so tired. So I'm gonna end the video here, but I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like, thumbs up, and definitely subscribe because that helps me a bunch. And I will see you guys in the next video.